People are surprised to find that acupuncture is relatively painless. Whilst the needle is penetrating the skin, there could be a slight sensation of pain, but this is not usual. Sometimes, but not often, there could be an electric, shooting sensation if a nerve is hit. Sometimes, a sharp sensation if the needle is in the vicinity of a vein, or artery. If this happens, this is the possibility of a small bruise in the adjacent area, but this is really of little consequence, compared with the many attributes and advantages of acupuncture. But that sensation won't last too long. Please subscribe to Naturalherbs channel, click the bell icon below to get the notification for every new video upload. Also share and like the video with comments. One of the reasons for lack of pain is because our needles are very fine, only about twice the thickness of a human hair. Totally unlike the hypodermic needles used in conventional medicine to inject liquids or take a sample of blood. These are hollow and of course have a greater bore than acupuncture needles. Ours are solid, flexible and much, much thinner. Patients are often very surprised at how flexible the acupuncture needle is and wonder that it can penetrate the skin and underlying flesh in a straight line. Because of the tiny diameter of the needles and the skill of the acupuncturist, this is not difficult. It is possible to penetrate much harder material than the human skin with one of these needles, without bending it. Acupuncture is a very safe and mostly comfortable form of effective, alternative medicine. Any discomfort that may occur on an occasional basis is more than made up for by its therapeutic activity. The word acupuncture comes from two Latin words, acus, meaning needle, and punctura, meaning to penetrate. Thus, the word acupuncture means to penetrate with a needle. Acupuncture is a potent and efficacious alternative to many of the treatments of Western medicine. Acupuncture hails from China. Its origin goes back several thousand years. It is based on the premise that there are energy patterns, or energy flows, throughout the body, and these are necessary to maintain health and well-being of the organism. Here's when these energy flows are disturbed that people become sick. Acupuncture often restores the body's balance of these meridians and corrects the energy flow. A treatment of acupuncture normally lasts from 30 to 40 minutes and is very relaxing. A number of very fine needles, usually 1 to 10, are inserted in specific spots on the skin. These are called acupuncture points. Please subscribe to Naturalherbs channel, click the bell icon below to get the notification for every new video upload. Also share and like the video with comments. They are often matched with organs of the body. Almost all acupuncture points lie along acupuncture meridians, although there are several off-meridian points which are utilized by the experienced acupuncturist. And each acupuncture point can treat many diseases, as it influences many organs of the body. Acupuncture has also been used in animals to great effect. If you own a beloved animal, try acupuncture. Seek out the veterinarian who uses alternative medicine and who may also use such other natural aids, as homeopathy, herbalism and aromatherapy, etc., on animals. You might be surprised by the beneficial results on your precious four-legged friends. Using alternative medicine in animals is even more convincing, as there cannot be any suspicion of the placebo effect, which is sometimes found in humans who are taking medicaments. Thanks for watching.